Castor oil is a versatile natural remedy used for centuries, from skin care to hair growth and everything in between. While castor oil boasts many benefits, it's important to use it correctly to maximize its advantages and avoid potential pitfalls. The do this and don't do that of castor oil. Conduct a patch test. Before using castor oil, it's important to perform a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Castor oil is thick and potent, which can sometimes cause skin irritation or allergies, even if it's all natural. To do a patch test, apply a small amount of castor oil to a small area of your skin, such as the inside of your elbow or behind your ear. Leave it on for 24 hours and observe any changes. If you notice redness, itching, or swelling, it's best to avoid using castor oil or consult a healthcare professional before proceeding. This simple test helps avoid discomfort or skin problems and ensures the oil is safe. Patch tests are standard practice for castor oil and any new skincare or hair care product, making them a good habit to develop. Use for hair and scalp health. Castor oil is widely celebrated for its benefits in promoting hair growth and maintaining scalp health. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties and is known for its moisturizing capabilities. To use castor oil for hair health, apply a small amount to your scalp and hair ends. This can help nourish your hair follicles and potentially improve hair growth. It's especially useful for treating dry or flaky scalps, as the oil helps moisturize and soothe irritation. For best results, consider mixing castor oil with a lighter oil, such as coconut or almond oil. This mixture makes it easier to apply and spread through your hair. You can also warm the oil slightly before applying it to help with absorption. Warm oil can penetrate the scalp more effectively, providing deeper nourishment. After applying the oil, leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight if you prefer a deep conditioning treatment. Then wash it out thoroughly with shampoo. For most people, using castor oil once or twice a week is sufficient to see benefits. Use as a skin moisturizer. Castor oil is highly valued for its moisturizing properties, making it an excellent option for skin care. Its thick consistency and high ricinoleic acid content help to lock in moisture, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or rough skin. To use castor oil as a moisturizer, you can apply a small amount directly to the skin. It's particularly effective for areas that tend to dry, such as elbows, knees, and heels. It is best to mix castor oil with lighter oils like jojoba or almond oil for facial use. This mixture reduces the thickness of the oil, making it easier to spread and preventing it from feeling too heavy on the skin. Before applying castor oil to your face, you can warm the oil slightly, which helps with absorption. Use it sparingly, as too much can clog pores, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can also be used to soothe skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. However, it's essential to do a patch test before widespread use to ensure you aren't sensitive to the oil. Consistent use can help maintain skin hydration, reduce the appearance of scars, and promote overall skin health. Mix with other oils. While castor oil has many benefits, its thick consistency can make it challenging to use independently. To counter this, it is advisable to mix castor oil with other, lighter oils. This makes it easier to apply and enhances the benefits by combining the properties of different oils. For instance, mixing castor oil with coconut oil can provide deep hydration, as coconut oil is known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Almond oil is another excellent choice to mix with castor oil. It is lighter and absorbs more quickly into the skin or hair, which helps balance the density of castor oil. This combination can be particularly beneficial for those with sensitive skin or for facial use, as almond oil is also rich in vitamins and fatty acids that nourish the skin. Mix the oils in a small bottle or container. A common ratio is 1 part castor oil to 2 parts of the other oil, but you can adjust this based on your preferences and needs. Shake well before each use to ensure the oils are thoroughly combined. This mixture can be used for skin and hair applications, providing a versatile and customizable approach to natural skincare and hair care. Mixing castor oil with other oils can also extend the shelf life of your blend, as some oils, like jojoba oil, have longer shelf lives and can help stabilize more perishable oils. This practice makes the application more pleasant and maximizes the therapeutic benefits of castor oil, ensuring you get the most out of your natural beauty regimen. Warm oil before use. Warming castor oil before application is a simple yet highly effective way to enhance its benefits for skin and hair. Warming the oil increases its fluidity, making it easier to spread and absorb into the skin or scalp. This can be particularly beneficial for castor oil, which is naturally thick and dense. To warm the oil, place the castor oil bottle in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes. Ensure the water is hot but not boiling to avoid overheating the oil. Alternatively, pour some oil into a heat-safe container and gently warm it on the stove over low heat. It's crucial to check the temperature before applying it to your skin or scalp to ensure it is warm and comfortable, not hot, which could cause burns or irritation. Warming the oil before use helps to improve its penetration into the skin and hair shafts. For hair care, warm castor oil can be more easily massaged into the scalp, promoting better circulation and absorption. This increased circulation can help stimulate hair follicles, potentially supporting hair growth and improving overall scalp health. When applied to the hair, warm oil can also help to seal the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and adding shine. Applying warm castor oil in skincare can enhance its moisturizing and soothing effects. The warmth helps to open up pores, allowing the oil to penetrate deeper into the skin layers. This can be particularly beneficial for dry or rough skin, providing intense hydration and leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. Warm oil is also more effective in treating skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, as it can better deliver castor oil's anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Use sparingly. Using castor oil sparingly is essential due to its thick consistency and potency. Unlike lighter oils, castor oil is dense and can become overwhelming if too much is applied. When used in excess, it can leave the skin or hair feeling greasy or sticky, which can be uncomfortable and counterproductive to its intended benefits. For skin application, a small amount of castor oil is typically sufficient. A few drops can be enough to cover a large area, especially when used for moisturizing. Start with a minimal amount, warming it slightly if desired, and gently massage it into the skin. This approach helps ensure the oil is evenly distributed without clogging pores or leaving a heavy residue. Overuse can lead to skin issues, particularly for those with oily or acne-prone skin, as it may exacerbate these conditions. In hair care, using castor oil sparingly is equally important. Due to its thickness, applying too much can weigh down the hair, making it appear oily and flat. This is especially true for those with fine or thin hair. When using castor oil as a scalp treatment or hair mask, a small amount, about a tablespoon or less, is usually adequate. It's best to apply the oil to the scalp and hair ends, where the moisturizing and nourishing effects are most beneficial. After application, washing the hair thoroughly with shampoo to remove any excess oil is essential. This prevents buildup, which can dull the hair's appearance and clog hair follicles. Using castor oil sparingly also extends the life of your supply, making it a more economical choice. Given its potency, even a small bottle of castor oil can last long, providing ongoing benefits without frequent repurchases. Caution: while beneficial for many skin conditions, castor oil should not be applied to broken or irritated skin without consulting a medical professional. The oil contains ricinoleic acid, which can cause irritation or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. When applied to damaged skin, this risk increases, potentially exacerbating redness, itching, or rash. Moreover, broken skin is more vulnerable to infections, and castor oil could trap bacteria, leading to infection or delayed healing. Its thick consistency might also create discomfort, making the skin feel overly moisturized or greasy, which can worsen irritation. To avoid these issues, conducting a patch test on a small inconspicuous skin area before using castor oil extensively, particularly on sensitive or damaged areas, is essential. Overuse. Excessive use of castor oil on the skin or hair can lead to various problems due to its thick and dense nature. Overuse can clog skin pores, especially for oily or acne-prone skin, resulting in breakouts and blackheads. In hair care, too much castor oil can make hair greasy and heavy, making it difficult to wash out, and lead to residue buildup on the scalp and hair strands. This can weigh down the hair, making it appear dull and unclean. Additionally, an overabundance on the scalp can irritate or disrupt the natural balance of oils, potentially leading to dryness or dandruff. To avoid these complications, it's advisable to use castor oil sparingly. Dilute it with lighter oils when necessary, and thoroughly cleanse the skin or hair after use to prevent buildup. Don't ingest castor oil without medical advice. Ingesting castor oil without medical advice is discouraged due to its potent laxative effects. Castor oil has been traditionally used as a remedy for constipation because it stimulates bowel movements by increasing the movement of the intestines. However, this action is very strong and can lead to severe cramping, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalance if not monitored properly. The active component in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, irritates the lining of the bowel, which promotes a laxative effect. This makes it effective, but also potentially dangerous if taken inappropriately. For this reason, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before considering ingesting castor oil. A doctor can guide the correct dosage and ensure it is safe for your health conditions and needs. Self-medicating with castor oil can lead to serious health complications, especially if you have underlying conditions or are taking other medications that might interact with it. Don't ignore any adverse reaction. Another point when using castor oil is not to ignore adverse reactions. Castor oil, despite its many benefits, can cause allergic reactions or skin irritations in some individuals. Symptoms of an adverse reaction can include itching, redness, swelling, or rash. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is important to discontinue use immediately. Continuing to use castor oil despite these reactions can exacerbate the problem and lead to more serious skin issues or allergies. Additionally, if the reaction is severe or does not go away after stopping the use of castor oil, you should seek medical attention. A healthcare provider can help determine the cause of the reaction and recommend appropriate treatment. Be mindful of your body's responses to new products and prioritize your health and safety. Ignoring adverse reactions can lead to prolonged discomfort and potentially serious health consequences. Also, paying close attention to your body's response and discontinuing use at the first sign of adverse reactions will help prevent further complications. These precautions help maximize the positive outcomes of using castor oil while minimizing potential risks. Have any questions or personal experiences with castor oil? Please share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.